Okay, so I've got these new panels in, and as I'm supposed to do, reading the brochure, manual, whatever it says, and they say they've got a fire-protected connector box. Connector box sounds like junction box, and so that's standard, but fire-protected? What does that mean? So yeah, that's a first. Never seen a metal plate in there to protect it from fire. But I mean, let's be real. If something's gonna get hot and burn up, I mean, I've seen a lot of junction boxes get hot. Well, I've seen them in the aftermath because they're bubbly and have melted the plastic. So it kind of makes sense. It's interesting that modern panel manufacturers aren't doing that. I haven't seen metal in any of the modern ones.